Hey, what's up? Here we go with another video of the budget dirt bike build. Just about to start stripping her down. Gonna paint the frame. I know it's stupid to paint the frame before I put the motor in, but I'm just gonna primer the frame, I guess I should say. I'm not gonna paint the frame totally. Once the motor mounts are all on, I can do some touch-ups with the primer and then repaint the whole frame. So, got all the parts off it, all the plastics. Well, not all of them, but about to do that. Maybe a very short video this one. Motor, all the parts. So, we'll get her going here. Slowly becoming bare. One piece at a time. So got her all taken apart. Came apart nice and quick and easy. For a bike from 1977, there wasn't much to it, but I figured the bolts would have been seized and shit. But so I'm just gonna wire wheel it because I don't have a sandblaster. Got those pegs off, a couple tiny little things to take off, little bolts, whatever. After that, just gonna primer the frame, put everything on it except for the plastics, and mount that Honda motor into it. Honda street bike motor, small street bike motor, like a beginner street bike, whatever, and an old dirt bike frame. So that's where I am today. Till the next video, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and take her easy.